Alright, it is time to finish installing the FDF angle kit for the Audi B5. So, I've installed this side, figured I should film a little bit of the other side. Got this side all taken apart for the most part. Just have my suspension in there still, everything else is apart. Okay, so here's the kit. Here's the upright. It's pretty similar to this 350Z kit. It actually uses a 350Z wheel bearing. The only difference, of course, or there's probably a bunch of differences. The main difference, see the racks up top on the Audi. There's the rack there. Not ideal for drifting or making kits, but thank you, Josiah, for making a kit here. So yeah, here's the upright. Here's the lower control arm. It's very beefy, as you can see. There's the sleeve to connect the tie rod on there. Here's the upper arm. It sits this way. Probably take this out just to make my life a little easier. And then here's the other arm, so that actually mounts right here. So yeah, I'm gonna slap it all together, and yeah, I'm excited. Okay, time to slap it in. Alright, so the upper is in. I put my suspension back in. That's good to go. Now I'm just setting up this. So lower arm, the kit is already like ridiculously wide, so I'm doing this one all the way in. This one out a little bit further, just so I get more clearance from the box here on the beefy part of the arm there. Yeah, tie rod will set up later. Yeah, so let's slap this in now. I'm just using that to support the weight. Slap that in there. Okay, so I just want to confirm small bushing first. Small bushing first. It's still not fitting. Grab this guy here so I can spread it out. That'll fit better. Okay, that's in. Okay, now I just gotta go match up that heim joint length with the other side. Okay, go measure that. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, so it's installed. I just gotta tighten up those guys down there, and then I gotta adjust it all and see what kind of angle I can get out of it. We tried to run it with the rack in its stock location. Just is right there. Turns out rack gets bound up with that much angle, so for us to use all of this FDF angle, we're gonna have to move the rack forward. So it looks like we're gonna move it about 25 millimeters. So yeah, we've just chopped this bit out here, just kind of see what we're working with. Gonna have to drill out these points, remove this plate here, and then we'll get it all flat, make a new plate, and probably mount the rack somewhere around right there. And then hopefully we can use all of this FDF angle with good Ackerman. Right? Right?